Welcome to Two Rocks, home of our new Oceanside Lifestyle Resort, delivered by Providence. As a little tacker, I got fond memories of my parents coming up here in a caravan when this was a tourist destination to look at the beautiful King Neptune statue. Now it's a thriving community, and I'd like to think King Neptune's going to be looking after our resort. The cool thing about this resort in Two Rocks is everything is in close walking distance. Whether it's Woolworth's new supermarket that's being built next year, McDonald's, the post office, the cafe, and probably more importantly for our homeowners, the tavern. The resort is going to be just 11 minutes from this state-of-the-art Yanship train station. It can take you straight into the city. This beautiful coastline at Two Rocks is just gorgeous for a stroll along the beach. And if fishing's your thing, it's only a 400-metre walk to the beach. Gosh, this is the life. I've just been walking along the beach, this amazing, pristine location, and the wildlife wants to come out and greet you. This is just ridiculous. Imagine the views of the sunset, not only from here, but from the new spectacular lodge that we're building in Oceanside in stage 1 of the resort. It's just going to be amazing and inspiring. I'm floating here in the stunning Two Rocks Marina, just a stone's throw away from the new Providence Oceanside Lifestyle Resort. These majestic creatures have come to say hello. It gives you an indication of how pristine the conditions are here. At Providence's new location, Oceanside Lifestyle Resort, we're curating a way of life that makes boating, fishing, waterfront dining an everyday way of life. Another beautiful day, and I got to meet Flipper. You know, you don't have to be rich to enjoy a rich lifestyle. At the Oceanside Lifestyle Resort, you can either play St Andrews at the golf simulator, or just 11-minute drive, come to St Andrews Drive and play one of the nicest courses in WA, Sun City Country Club. Whether you have a love of flora, a love of fauna, if you love bushwalking, this beautiful Yanship National Park is right on your doorstep. There's barbecues, you can have a beautiful picnic, or just walk through the bush trails. It's hard to articulate just how great this location is, from the beautiful views you'll have from the resort, to the beautiful surrounding natural bushland and amenities all within walking distance. To book a VIP resort tour, click on the link below.